Hello, I'm Ludwig and this is Data Platform Microlearning. In today's episode, I want to answer the question whether Power BI is the business-only solution. Now, you may think about Power BI as like, all right, this is this huge business intelligence solution that only the largest players in the market use, right? Because if you'll take a look at the Power BI website, you'll see some of the business driven or data driven culture with the business intelligence slogans and the real customers and real results. But those real customers are like Procter & Gamble and T-Mobile and Toyota and KPMG. So very, very large players in the market. But the truth is that you can use Power BI even if you're not any one of those players. I'm going to show you something right now. Regardless whether you are a small organization or a large player, maybe you're a foundation or a non-profit organization, as let's say the Water for Life organization from Australia, from the Greater Melbourne Urban Water and System Strategy. They do have their website, and on their website that they did embedded the Power BI dashboard, where if you just go for it, boom, you can see that all of the necessary information, instead of creating this super complex and sophisticated website, they just started embedding the actual Power BI based report. So look how interactive it is. You don't need to have any kind of a fancy web designers and web developers and the content management systems. Everything is in here and it's 100% interactive. You can even embed some videos in order to teach people how to use all of those reports. But it doesn't stop there. If you're a freelancer, let's say, maybe you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're a student, and you want to present some valuable content using Power BI, you can do that. Here's one of the common examples that we use when we present Power BI. As you can see, here is the definitive 100 most useful productivity tips dashboards, where you have this whole bunch of productivity tips, and each one of them is being rated and described and so on and so forth. So what you can do is you can apply filters on all of those 100 hacks. If you say, all right, I want to improve my meeting schedules, so I'll just select filter that will take all of those hacks from the list of 100, limited to just the ones that are connected to the subject of meetings. Then maybe you want to increase the productivity scale, so how impactful they will be on your overall productivity. And then you may want to choose the amount of effort that you need to put in. Do you want to have those easy ones, moderate ones, difficult ones, or maybe the hard ones? The difficult ones is to run the meetings well. When it comes to the hard ones, is to, for example, have shorter meetings, fewer meetings, and kill your darlings, which is again a hard task to perform. Now, of course, you can go with the moderate, which is just follow up after meetings in order to make sure that your well-being will also be taken care of, and you will have eventually less of those as well. So again, as you can see, those dashboards, as you are seeing them in here on Power BI, they are not necessarily meant for businesses only. They are meant for everyone who wants to get the most out of an extremely intuitive user experience that Power BI has to offer. So as usual, I can only invite you to keep up with every single lesson of Data Platform Microlearning, and I'll see you in the next episode.